Welcome back, Harbros, to the Harbro channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have the next weekend deal. The next weekend deal, drum roll, it's generator days. Generator days. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing and maybe hyping the video, maybe checking out the merch store. And let's go ahead and jump in. But first, just want to ask the Harbros how your 30% off all items $10 and under is going, or 30% off all items $20 and under. Who or which of the Harbros have made out like bandits? Let me know. And of course, just a quick before we jump into the generators, some new tools. The Hercules 20 volt cordless 7/16 inch high torque wrench 230, and then a couple of Pittsburgh wrench, Merlin, Hercules bit holder, and then the Icon is now on the website. The Icon 350-pound heavy-duty seat, mechanics roller seat with drawers, nicely priced at $69.99. But we knew this was in stores. But anyways, let's look at the generator days. 4/30, so that's a Thursday through 5/3 Sunday. And let's start off with the 25% off all Predator generator covers and wheel kits. This is from the 1st to the 3rd, and Harbor Freight has done this sale before. It's exactly the same. They do 25% off generator covers and wheel kits, and then 25% off for ITC, same, but just early access Thursday, April 30th only. Now, this is one of those oddball ones where I don't think this ITC early access makes sense. I don't think they will run out of wheel kits or generator covers. I might be wrong. Summer approaches us. So it is a perk, but not necessarily the best perk. But we'll read the fine print just to understand the coupon. 25% off all Predator generator covers and wheel kits. Valid in store while supplies last. Valid 5/1 through 5/3/2026. Coupon must be presented at time of use. 25% off all generator covers and wheel kit purchased. Cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases. So pretty straightforward. And then, of course, similar deal, but this is the all more important one. If you're in the market for a generator, it's 20% off all Predator gas generators. Now, I find it interesting that they put gas in there, because I don't know if they have any generators that are not gas. Harbros, correct me if I'm wrong, but maybe they're just being 100% accurate, completely complete. But let's read the coupons. Again, 20% off all Predator generators, gas generators, early access for ITC members April 30th, and then 20% off all Predator gas generators, valid in store with the coupon 5/1 to 5/3. ITC valid in store 1 day while supplies last. Pre-sale included. No coupon required. Discount applied at the register. 20% off all Predator gas generators. Cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases. No cash value, non-transferable. And then 20% off all Predator gas generators purchased. Cannot be combined with other offers. So the verbiage that we're used to, 20% off. And so let's look at the generators that are available. And I've sorted from high to low. And just so you know, as one-offs, these generators could go higher than 20% off. But in this case, you will have the option of all the generators. So as single off coupons or flash deals, deal of the days, they could be higher percent off. And we have seen some be higher percent off. But overall, you'll have the most options here, obviously, with the 20% off. So solid deal on the gas generators. But we'll start off with, again, we sorted high to low. Start off with the Predator 11,500 watt tri-fuel super quiet inverter generator with remote start and CO secure technology. It's $2,200, but it does have the tri-fuel capability, which is it can run on gasoline, propane, or natural gas, which is kind of crazy. A lot of backups there. Ideal for RVs, home backup systems, and mobile businesses and more. 49 state compliant, and there's a California compliant, both the same price at $2,200. You're gonna get it for $1,760. So you're saving $440, which makes sense. 220 is 10%, 440, 20% off. So if you're waiting, this is a good time to pick up a generator. Again, you don't know which coupon will come up for which specific generator. So these are likely going to be the best time to pick up your generator. And they do these sales a couple times a year. So just FYI. So save $440 on the 11,500 watt tri-fuel Predator generator. Next, the Predator 9,500 watt super quiet inverter generator with CO secure technology. $2,000. Ideal for home backup as well in emergencies and mobile businesses like food trucks. Powerful PGMA compliant inverter generator, has electric start and CO secure. Carbon monoxide shut down for safety. So at 2,000 bucks, we'll do the math. So it just shows here on the screen at 2,000 bucks and whoops, at $2,000 and at 20% off, get it down to $320,000. At $2,000 at 20% off, get it down to 1,600 bucks. You're saving $400. Still pretty pricey, but a good obviously, clearly a good discount. And we move right along. Then we have the Predator 13,000 watt, again, tri-fuel portable generator with remote start, CO secure, not super quiet. So if you don't mind the noise, it's PGMA compliant. It is tri-fueled, runs on gasoline, propane, or natural gas for maximum flexibility. 12 hours of runtime per fill up. This is priced at 1,300 bucks, so definitely a lot more affordable and for a lot of the wattage. 13,000 watts, but we're looking at $1,300 at 20% off, getting it down to 1,040 bucks, so saving $260. So just over $2,000 for the 13,000 watt tri-fuel portable generator. And we're going back to the super quiet. Here's the 5,000 watt dual fuel super quiet inverter generator with remote start and CO secure technology. This runs on gasoline or propane, so still two great options. Generator is ideal for RVs, home backup, and more, of course. And this is priced at $1,099 at 20% off, getting it down to 880 bucks. $880, so saving about 220 bucks. So excellent option. And then we have the 8750 watt open frame inverter generator with CO secure technology, already on ITC deals for $100 off, down to 1,000 bucks. This is 8750 watt open frame, provides even more power for home backup and emergencies, high power tools or job sites, and more. PGMA compliant, GFCI outlets, and CO secure carbon monoxide shutdown. And of course, at 20% off, this will be better than the ITC deal. Get it down to 880. So save 220 bucks. So save double the price of it. So great option. Get the price down. And then we are showing another brand new Predator. This is the 10,000 watt gas powered portable generator with remote start, CO secure technology, 49 state compliant, 900 bucks, 10,000 watts. Portable generator provides more power for home backup in emergencies and tools at job sites. PGMA compliant as well. Automatic idle down and a large fuel tank for 12 hours of runtime. 900 bucks. So of course, 20% off, get it down to 720, so saving $180 on the Predator 10,000 watt gas powered portable generator. Excellent option. And then going back to the super quiet series, here's a 3,500 watt super quiet inverter generator with CO secure technology. It's priced at 800 bucks. This one is ideal solution for RVs. It says still home backup and more. RV ready, PGMA compliant generator, quieter than a conversation, which is wild, and has CO secure carbon monoxide for safety shutdown just in case. And this is priced at 800 bucks. Get it down to 20% off, get it down to 640. Save about $160 on the 3,500 watt super quiet inverter generator with CO secure technology. And we keep going. The 9,000 watt gas powered portable generator with CO secure technology, larger fuel tank, GFCI outlets, CO secure carbon monoxide shutdown. Same, ideal for power home backup and emergencies and tools at job sites. It does say wheel kit is sold separately, but they have it all over the picture. This is 800 bucks. And at 20% off, it's going to be the same price. $640, same discount as the previous one. Save $160. And then we keep going. The 4550 watt open frame inverter generator, CO secure technology at $680. Wheel kit sold separately ideal for RVs, travel trailers, home backup, and more at $680. Get it down to $544 and $44. Again, excellent deal. And then we have the 6,500 watt gas powered portable generator with CO secure technology, 49 state compliant, $650. And at $650, getting it down to $520, saving $130. And then we'll go into the last couple of super quiet options. The 2,500 watt super quiet inverter generator with CO secure technology, lightweight, powerful engine, making it ideal for camping and tailgating. Only 58 decibels at 25% load. The generator meets national park sound requirements. It's pretty neat to know. And that's at $630. Get that 20% off, save $126, get it down to $504. Excellent option. And then we do have the 2000 watt super quiet, which is allegedly on clearance. Well, it is on clearance, but not too deeply discounted, but it's at $574.97 and similar, just less wattage. Generators perfect for outdoor recreation, camping, and tailgating. PGMA compliant, quieter than a conversation, features CO secure carbon monoxide shutdown for safety. So that's at $575. Let's just say, get it down 20%, get it down to $460. So still saving $115. Super solid option. And then we have rounding out the 5,000 watt gas powered portable generator with CO secure technology at $500. Get that down to $400, so save an even $100. The 4375 watt gas powered portable generator with CO secure technology, that's priced at $480. You'd get that down to $384, so saving almost $100. And then the least expensive option, the Predator 1800 watt gas powered portable generator with CO secure technology, great for low power applications. Compact, lightweight, PGMA compliant generator, provides reliable power and CO secure carbon monoxide shutdown for safety. $350, and at 20% off, getting it down to $280, so saving $70. $280 for a generator. Predator, super solid deal. And those are all the generators, and those are all the deals. Again, this is going to be going on Thursday, April 30th. That's ITC early access for one day, and then the rest of the weekend, Friday the 1st through Sunday the 3rd, for the next weekend deal. But anyways, I'll leave it at that, Harbros. Anybody looking, maybe these are the kind of ones that hopefully it lines up and you were looking to purchase a generator, because generators aren't cheap, especially the home backup ones. So let me know if this is helpful. Let me know how your 30% off weekend is going. Let me know your list of items. And I'll leave it at that, Harbros. Happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.